Ever wondered how much self-publishing could potentially fill your pockets? Imagine this. One author pulls in over $180,000 annually from just putting pen to paper. Can you believe it? That's the kind of life-changing potential hidden within the world of independent publishing. Welcome back to our epic Reddit Roundup, where we reveal jaw-dropping insights straight from the authors making this a reality. Today, we're dissecting captivating experiences, highs, lows, and everything in between, straight from the self-publishing trenches. From newbie successes to established veterans cashing in, get ready to discover exactly how these writers are transforming their passion into profit. So grab your favorite snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into the dollars and inspiration fueling these incredible stories. 1. Kicking things off, Tales by Bob shares, with 4 published novels, I made just over $12,000 last year primarily through convention sales, featuring a redneck wizard with a meth problem, no paid ads, just passion. 2. Metals Girl flexes her writing muscles with about 30 books out, saying, clean and Christian romance brings in $3,000 to $4,000 per month, more during release months. 3. College Football Good gives us a chuckle with, about $2 a month. I do this for fun, keeping the creativity alive. 4. Activation Cartwheel reveals, after publishing 21 contemporary romance novels over 10 years, I've made around $260,000. Sales have declined, so I'm considering anniversary editions. 5. Atheos Writing boasts, with over 60 books released, earnings hover between $40,000 to $80,000 monthly. Steamy romance keeps readers and income coming. 6. Elaine Griffith, author sees growth with 3 cozy fantasies have brought in $200 to $300 monthly thanks to smart advertising and professional editing. 7. Educational Country 1 emphasizes hard work, stating 9 murder mysteries earn $6,000 to $9,000 monthly, but constant engagement on social media is key. 8. Chair's Mail shares a simpler approach with, I make about $1 a month from 4 books on KDP. Zero marketing. If readers find me, great. 9. Veg2Man 9/16 reflects, 2 nonfiction books earn roughly $240 monthly. It's about conveying important messages rather than pushing sales. 10. The Writing Chair feels the success. 30-plus novels yield about $24,000 monthly. With time to spare, maintaining mental wellness takes creativity. 11. Ashley Gaudet 8 shares modest success. 11 books total, about $50 to $150 per month. It's about storytelling, not the income. 12. Average Joe 1992, author reveals tax woes. 46 novels bring $5,000 to $20,000 monthly, highlighting unexpected tax complications. 13. Principal 2020 finds growth. 5 fantasy titles earned around $10 monthly, incrementally increasing while exploring marketing. 14. Hurry No 797 proudly states, my trilogy brings €500 monthly, a testament to resourceful publishing. 15. Repulsive, Job 428 dominates with, since 2014, I have secured 6-figure monthly earnings from paranormal genres, with stability rooted in genre mastery. 16. Jolly Mind 5026 shares a winning formula. Writing self-help has earned $180,000 annually. The key is understanding your audience. 17. Pinkcoat finds joy in balance. 2 books provide roughly $2 monthly, supported by social interaction and personal connections. 18. Wolf writes 89 keeps steady. 80 books are earning about $25,000 monthly on Kindle Unlimited, engaging a loyal readership. 19. Whole Ass Gentleman reports growth. 3 books in music education yield about $15 to $50 monthly on Amazon. 20. Scion 42X shares a milestone, about $60 monthly from a steampunk fantasy book, with hopes for the trilogy's impact. 21. Another introspective creator notes, started with vlogs and music, transitioning into monthly earnings from various platforms, ranging between $250 and $500. 22. A determined writer reveals, when my travel blogging was in its prime, earnings were strong but shifted as interests evolved. Monthly income varied from about $500. 23. Opening more pathways, this creator shares, as I transitioned to educational content, earnings found a comfortable range from $400 to $800 monthly. 24. An evolving author reveals their travel niche, 37,000 subscribers bring $500 to $800 monthly. Vlogging pays off. 25. A new narrative explored brings unique editorial style transitioned to steady earnings of around $1,000 monthly. 26. This author highlights teamwork. Running a shared writing channel, our revenue splits to around $20 monthly each, but the experience is invaluable. 27. The narrative twists as they disclose. From storytelling to children-first content, earnings hovered between 150 to about 350 euros monthly. 28. Seeing growth unfold, this author shares. Book publishing reached best months yielding $1,000, elevating exposure and reach. 29. Reflecting on creative wisdom, they observe, while streaming games, income reached $1,000 monthly, uncovering new potential. 30. As they embrace fresh beginnings, they note, book sales linger around $20 monthly, keeping the love alive for a steady grind. There you have it, a wide range of experiences capturing the highs and lows in self-publishing. From life-changing earnings to storytelling driven by passion, each author shares a unique journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing insights. Jump into the discussion and share your tales as we continue exploring the ever-changing world of self-publishing. Until next time, keep those stories flowing.